wala pa. At nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng senador kasi lahat ay naghahanap ng solusyon. Ako din naghahanap ng may solusyon dito sa problema natin sa impeachment. Para sa akin, personal lang ha, walang resolution to. Dapat i-dismiss na ito kaagad. Dahil unang-una, hindi na talaga kaya matapos bago yung 19th Congress, may sariling rules ng Senado. Pero, ang totoo, I have very serious concerns about the validity of the impeachment complaint arriving here in the Senate. Maliwanag naman na ito ay napila pa noong December 2024. Pagkatapos noon, a second impeachment complaint later in December, 4 December, was also endorsed and filed in the lower house. A third impeachment complaint was also filed on the 19th. So, bale, 2nd December, 4th December, 19th December, andyan na, klaro na yung impeachment complaint na nandyan sa House. Tapos, alam naman natin yung background niyan, October 2023, marami nang nagbababala na sila ay magpapadala ng impeachment complaint. Para sa akin, dahil dito, maliwanag na hindi nila ipinadala sa amin dito sa House kaagad-agad. Bakit? Ang tanong ko. Bakit wini-withhold? Kung wini-withhold nila, sila pala ang nagpatagal nitong lahat. Despite the lapse of 2 months, no action was taken to transmit to the Senate or refer any of the first 3 verified complaints. Only on the 5th of February, a 4th impeachment complaint was endorsed and signed and finally sent to the Senate. So, para sa akin, kinakailangan alamin kung tama rin ang ginawa ng Kongreso. Sinasabi nila dinelay ng Senado. Ang akin, teka muna, sino ba talaga ang nag-delay niyan? At ngayon, violative na of the 1-year ban on filing impeachment.